Hi guys, and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is a short video for creating doors that are usable on every wall. Stay a while and listen. This is not an original video, guys, but it's my method for creating in a few minutes doors that are usable in every wall that you need. You know, guys, we are creating modular fortifications for towns and villages, so in this kind of project we need modular part. In this specific episode we will create a simple door, actually 4 of them, for be placed in every single wall of this project. It's a very simple tutorial with some tips and tricks that can help you create easily and quickly removable doors. Crack on! I use a shiftinglens.com template to create 4 door frames. You can draw the doors of the shape and size you want. However, these doors are 1 inch wide and about 2 inches high. Freehand, I draw bricks around the silhouettes to have a guide even after the pieces have been cut. At this point, I cut out my graphic chipboard. I use a rather thin sheet of foam and design my 4 shapes again. This sheet is about 3 mm thick. If you don't have a Proxen, check out my tutorial number 4 to create thin foam sheets with a simple foam cutter. With a wire brush, I now create the vertical wood grain of my doors, and only when the texture has completely satisfied me, I draw the lines of separation between the wooden boards. At this point, with my X-Acto knife, with a fresh blade, I cut the whole thing. Remember, a fresh blade is very less dangerous than a shitty one. I need a strip of chipboard to create the reinforcement of the doors. Here you see how I use an awl to create the holes of the rivets. I cut out my reinforcement at the length of 3/4 inch. Once we have recovered 4 small bracelet rings, we are ready to assemble the doors. First, I glue the door to the cardboard, then again with the hot glue I attach the reinforcement. I recommend you keep the doors close together to glue the reinforcement all at the same height, or almost. Then I dip my ring in the super glue and I place it at the desired height. Done! Now, the stone frame. At first, from a piece of foam, I quickly obtain 3/4 bricks. Then I pass them randomly to the cardboard frames, trying to vary the size and shapes of my bricks as much as possible. it will be enough to turn our piece upside down and cut away the excess. Done. For the base, even if it is not 100% necessary, I use pieces of cardboard 1 inch by side thick, gluing them so that they protruded behind my doors. Done. Painting these pieces is very simple. First, I covered it all with black acrylic paint. Then I colored the doors with a dark brown, perpendicularly to the wood grain, so as not to feel the texture. I then passed a semi-wet brush with a orangey brown. I used a couple of shades of grey for the bricks of the frame. I passed the metal parts with a mithril silver with a dry brush. And finally I gave a dry brush with an off-white. Done! With these doors you can create entrances and new dynamism to existing pieces and give new life to walls and buildings. Fantastic! Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!